Affiliate marketing tactics that can get you money. Ready to begin with your own affiliate marketing plan? Do you know where to start or how to begin? Do you know what products will work for you and your business? If you have no clue how to answer these questions, the tips that are listed below are for you. If your products are less than reputable, it can cause a big dent in the profits you will bring in across time. Always make sure you research each supplier individually and don't sell anything in your name you wouldn't be comfortable with using yourself. One slip-up can put a permanent mark on your record and hurt your company a lifetime down the road. A blog will be a regular way for you to interact with visitors, customers, and anyone who is involved in your field. A blog sets you up as an expert and allows you to get feedback from the people that you want to buy your product or service. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. You should never have to pay to join an affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate program that asks you to pay a membership fee or training cost is more than likely just a scam that is out to take your money. Good affiliate marketing programs are free, because the parent company earns their money from the traffic and sales you send their way. Do you know how to begin your own plan now? Can you now find a place to begin with it? Do you know what will work for your business? If you can now provide an answer to these questions, then you have read and understood the previous tips and are ready to make affiliate marketing work for you. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.